Pack, move, and unpack your furniture with extra care with our reliable, affordable services. Introducing 3 movers, cheap, Meadow Woods, local and long-distance movers near me. A long-distance move occurs when we move your belongings through a distance of 100 miles and above. 3 movers can move your properties interstate, interstate, or locally. We also have an excellent relationship with the federal and local authorities that regulate the entire relocation system. Apart from this relationship, we have a comprehensive insurance policy in place, and this protects our customers' interests during and after the move. We have a team comprised of dedicated professional movers and drivers who are determined to safely deliver your properties to their destination. Our services are affordable, and we do not overcharge our clients. When you relocate to a place in your locality, you spend less than a long-distance move. Not only do we offer the cheapest rates as a local moving company, but we also offer the best quality services to go alongside it. For our local relocations, we charge about $30 to $40 per hour. Our movers are licensed professionals, and with them, you can rest assured knowing that you're getting your money's worth. We can maneuver through busy cities and areas flawlessly, and this means that you get to your belongings in prime condition in which we loaded and packed them. You can also map out a moving plan with the help of our local movers. If you need more proof, please ask for reviews from our previous clients. The glowing reviews you get will only serve to cement your trust in our brand. In addition to local and long-distance moving, our Meadow Woods moving business offers extra services from which to choose, which includes commercial moving, international moving, furniture moving, residential moving, military moving, as well as packing and carrying. So what are you waiting for? Request a free quote using our online request form.